evening. Hi. Hello. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Hi, Sir Chester. You are up late there. Yeah, late now. How are you, Sir Chester Hickson? Good morning there. Have a nice day. Good night here in the Philippines. Hi for the 12 people in the house. All right there at work. Out. What is your work, Sir Chester? Thank you for the 10 million in the house. 10 million. Thank you guys. Hope you give thumbs up. Food Motor Company. Ah, yeah. Ah, wow. Ford Motor Company. Good job, sir. Ford. Wow. That's great, Sir Chester. Thank you for the thumbs up. Where is other? Where is other friend? Thank you for the 5. How you guys? Thank you for the thumbs up. Stockton, Florida. Good evening, Cheryl. Hi, good evening, Stockton, Florida. How are you? How are you? Thank you. Thank you for joining. Hi, Chester from Stack. Where are you now? Stuck in Florida. Where are you now? I'm doing great things. Okay. Where are you now? Where are you now? Lang. I'm at home in Florida now. Oh, okay. With your family. Just me. I have lived by myself for a very long time. Why? How old are you? Why? Why you live alone? You live alone? I will be in 60 in about a week. Ah, wow, that's great. Happy birthday in advance. Thank you. Always welcome, sir. Why you live alone? I am spending my birthday in Mexico this year. Wow, in Mexico. It's great. Your family in Mexico, live in Mexico. When I am here, when I am there, I will change my name on YouTube. Why? Maybe you stuck at the Mexico. Your family is in Mexico. No, my family lives in USA, mostly Florida, except my kids. Ah, okay. Why you live alone? Where's your wife? Because I'm starting to travel again and I'm not stuck anymore. Ah, okay. Okay. I love traveling, but can't afford, can't afford travel. I haven't been married since. Why? I am not married. Oh my god. Why? Why haven't been married? I wonder. Why not been married for a very long time ago? Alright, so thank you for the 7 people in the house. Can you please give thumbs up? Thank you guys. Because once was enough to learn my lesson. What lesson? You cheater, maybe. Are you cheater? I have been subscribed to your channel for a long time. Sorry I don't comment much. It's okay, it's fine. I really appreciate to subscribe my channel, and you always here on live. Much appreciated. Some people call me a larky because I mostly watch larky. Pinky stuff. It helps me uh, join my live stream because it helps me to gain a shower. Thank you so much. Enjoy your life. Um, I always at least stop by and give a like and watch if there is not too much drama in the chat. Too much drama. Too much drama. Why too much drama? Thank you for the 10 people in the house. Why too much drama? Because it's, I don't, it's your, I don't know, show girl. It's your girl. Maybe that's it. You know, I don't know. That's why I asked. Oh, how many women know that I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to offend anyone. I might get blocked. Why? Why? What happened? You might get blocked. Why? You ano? You rude at the comment? Or maybe you're just real talk. I don't know. I don't know. You know. You are a smart lady, you know. I think I'm not. Because someone said I'm stupid. You know what? Someone said, you're so stupid. Crazy. The person is not very smart apparently. Yeah, nobody's perfect. Yes, but I think I'm nice people. I do nice people. I do nice to, to people pala. Good evening, my flower. Good evening, Rodrigo. Thank you. Stop, brother. Thank you, Rodrigo, for joining. How are you? Are you working today? Rodrigo, hello, brother. Hello, brother. I saw your dancing, yes. I dance for uh, it's event here for Nutrition Month. Wow. Oh my god. Why? Oh my god. Brazil has some of the best dancer in the world. Yeah. Oh wow, that's good. I can't do it on my belly. Take me for dance. No, I can't. I can. Okay, stop. Studying, girl. Studying. Not studying. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Rodrigo. I will be back. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Take care. Bye, stack from Rodrigo. Bye bye, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining always. Thank you. Hope you join again in the next live. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Steven Martin. Hi, Cheryl. Hi, Sir Steven. Nice seeing you here today. Thank you, Sir Steven. How are you? Where are you from, Sir Steven? Thank you. You're looking beautiful as always. Thank you. New York. Oh, wow. Beautiful place. America. Nice to meet you, Sir Steven Martin. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. I really like your short video. I love who I am. I think I have watched it 10 times. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Steven Martin. I was in Cebu 2 years ago. Ah, you have a girlfriend here in the Philippines, Filipina, live in Cebu. Thank you, Sir Steven. No girlfriend. Ah, why are you here? 2 years ago. Friends or wife, maybe. Looking for a girlfriend. Ah, wow. Really? You not yet, not yet, not yet. Ah, not yet find. Many beautiful Filipino there, I think. Cebu. But the dating sites are a terrible place to meet someone. Yes, I don't like dating site. I think it's more scammers out there. I think more fake, not real dating site. Hopefully, once I come to the Philippines again, maybe I will find someone. Okay. I hope you find someone, Sir Steven. How old are you? In person is the only way to meet someone, in my opinion. Yes, in person. Personally, you need so maybe someone as beautiful as you, Cheryl. Of me, as beautiful as me. I think I think I'm not. I'm stupid, you know. Oh yeah, 60 years old. That's good. Nice age. I'm too old for someone like Cheryl. 60? Not too old. Nice age. Well, I think American man find you very attractive, Cheryl. No, I'm not. Oh my god, I'm not. I'm not beautiful in person. Philippines men don't appreciate a woman like you. Yes, yes. A Filipino men here, they think I'm not beautiful here. Yes, true. I'm not beautiful here because of my dark skin. Oh, brown skin. My brown. They like white skin. Uh, Philippine men here, they like white skin. Me, brown skin. They don't like. They don't like. She is beautiful and smart. No, I'm not. I said I'm not smart. I think beauty. I don't know. I don't know if I beautiful. You know. I think beautiful. I know. I don't. I don't. I don't. I don't know how to like this and to put the. No, I don't like it. I think I'm not like that. Being a nice person, Cheryl, makes you beautiful too, especially what's inside your heart. I don't know if uh, exactly, Steven. Thank you guys. Thank you for appreciate my personality. Thank you. But others, they don't like it. They don't see it. uh, Thank you po. When I first met Cheryl, I thought she was a cute young lady, but has gotten more beautiful the more I got to see her personality. Really? Oh God. You lie? That's their problem. Just be yourself and someone one day will appreciate you, Cheryl. Thank you guys. Oh God. I agree, Florida. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Just remember what your video says. Love me who I am. Think yes. 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 Yeah. I like that because I appreciate people who like me because of who I am. Hi, Tita! Thank you, Tita. Kumusta? Hello, Marie. From Stock. What's up, girl? I'm doing, I'm doing some stuff for this canvassing. Uh, hope, hope. Hi, Kuya Mike. What's up, Pogi? I'm not expecting I win, but I try my best to participate this event to help here in our community. I try my best. I am too old to call her Tita. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Steven from Tita. I'm probably older than you, Kuya Mike. Just call me Marie. It's all good. Let's go. That's nice. Lunchtime here. Gonna girls. Some sausages and burgers. Wow. Thank you, Tita. Enjoy your meal. Bon appetit. Hi, everybody. What is the topic? The topic is. The topic is. What's the topic? The topic is Uh, stop. Steven and stop looking, finding someone. Hope to find someone. Hope you find someone. I wish you find someone better and kind, not uh, beautiful. Yes, beautiful, kind, and honest. Oh, I'm only a couple years younger you're Gen X. Thumbs up down, maganda Cheryl. Hi, Greg. Thank you, Greg. Thank you. Kumusta? How are you? Hi, Greg from Stat. Ah, finding someone that respect you for who you are is most important. Yes, I agree with you, Stock. Oh my god, I was watching the beginning of the LS. Oh yes. Hello, Florida from Sir Greg. Pogi Greg, hola. Hola hola sa bola. I hate it when that. What happens, Marie? Hello, Tita. Miss Cheryl, ano pong ginagawa niyo? Nagdidikit po ako from Mardoke. Nagdidikit po ako, ano po ng envelope para po sa, sa gaganapin na piyesta. I'm one of the candidates for this coming event in our barangay fiesta. So anyone can help, any amount. Helps me a lot. Thank you. I'm at work. I'm just stopping by. Okay, Greg. Thank you. God bless. Take care. If someone talks down to you or tries to push you around, you should run from that person as fast as possible. Okay. I thought you were retired, Greg, or working from home. Thank you, Stop. I still do my landscaping company by myself. Ah, okay. That's great, Greg. Take care. Always. I'm done with concrete since my dad dies. Um, okay, okay. Stop. You're right. Once someone controls you, you lose your self-esteem. Then you feel that you're not worthy and settle for whatever you have. It's a horrible situation. Yes, Tita. Oh my god. Noted. Okay. I know Ben there. Yes, Marie. 100%. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. A smart, beautiful lady like Sheryl should be full of confidence. I hope. I hope sana all. Guys, try to help me. I'm candidate for Madicor in here. Other queen, fiesta here, uh, here in August. Celebrate. One of the event is for Mother Queen searching. What are the criteria for joining? Money contest. Money contest. The first place, 2% for the barangay. The second place, 3%, less 3% for the barangay. And the third place, 4%. So if you have no money to register, you can join. Other no registration fee. No registration fee. Try to I'm trying to ayun, to that's why I give this envelope. That's why, like, donor from amount to Cheryl, like, then it's accounting. If I have no, then it will, if I have many votes considered, and the rest 2% for the barangay, and the rest is for the candidate. To to go, I to you help the barangay community and help the contestant. you're paying you're paying to win. No, not really. Yeah. I mean, it's money contest. It's money contest. Like, if I have so many money votes for me, I will win. It's money contest. Uh, it happens here very long years ago. This is the culture here in Bicol, here in our province. Any of my comments about supporting you disappears. Why? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Stop. I don't know either. Me too. I don't know either. Maybe the I don't know. I can't answer it. I don't get it. Sorry, Cheryl. I run a lot of competitions and I never ask people to collect money. I give it to the contestants. Here is very different here in Bicol. Happens here during fiesta, but some other is beauty contest, gay contest, and it happens like that now. and our barangay captain should change another event. This event is the main event in our barangay fiesta because the fund is going to renovate our our court, basketball court. The fans need to build the fence like that and paint and some other. Yeah, it's weird when people didn't know. That's why I don't ask because it's really weird when people don't know about this because here in our barangay is like this. That's why maybe people think not good. Maybe people think it's scam. That's why I know it's weird. It's weird to ask this. So like need to here need to here and my friends I give it this envelope and my parents going to relatives giving envelope any amount itself not so big. It's really weird. It's double purpose here. Double purpose. It helps the contestants in our barangay community. So it's a fundraising event to improve the barangay and yes, yes, the fundraising event, barangay infrastructure. Yeah, it's fundraising. Yes, it's called fundraising. Applicant and they keep disappearing. Why? Why keep disappearing? I don't know. I don't understand stuff. I can't explain. Stop. It disappear because YouTube don't let numbers or emails given. Huh? What's going on, Kuya Mike? I don't see your comments too. Yeah. What happened? This is a call. Thank you. Okay, I will call you Mike. Stuck in Florida. Your Mike. Your real name is Mike. What's going on? Stuck. If you want to donate, you can send to my PayPal, and I will send it to you personally. Shouldn't give out personal information. Yes, YT will also delete my series of numbers or email addresses. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't know why that happens. Stuff. Me too. I don't know. I can't explain. Nothing happened, Cheryl. Cheryl, do you have Gcash? Yes, Tita, I have Gcash. I have Gcash, Tita. Uh, I have no bank account, but I have Gcash. Oh my god, it's really, I just asked about what you said. You have teen. I don't want to see it again because it will disappear. Okay. Hi, I'm back. Hi, Mapsy. How are you, Mapsy? Welcome back. I will send you something through Gcash. Ah, thank you, Tita. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Can I record? Because I will put here in the envelope. Ah, I will shout out to you, Tita. I'm going, Tita from Canada. Thank you, Tita. Okay, thanks, Tim. Thank you, Tita, so much. We can send to my people and I will send to her, no problem. Okay, thanks, Tim. I don't know if she has Tita. I'm not sure. Okay, she does. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, guys. Oh my god! I felt overwhelmed, Tita. Thank you so much. I will make a video and give a shout out. PayPal gas high transfer fees. Gcash is free for me. Yes, Gcash is. Ah, wow, free. Wow, thank you, Tita. My God, it's helped me a lot. I know what I'm overwhelmed, Tita, so much. Oh my God. The canvassing is August 1. Yes. Yes, USA don't have Gcash. Here unless you already open Philippines. Yeah, yeah. Yes, Marie, but I haven't had a Philippine bank account in over 10 years. You're welcome. It's from me and Tito. Ah, thank you so much. Oh my god. I will shout out here. Oh my god, I will make video and yes. I'm so proud of you guys. Join to Miss Universe. No, not Miss Universe. Just in our barangay. Thank you, Tita. It helps me a lot. It really helps me a lot. Well, not only me, but in our barangay, our community. I will shut up. Not only me. Double purpose. I will make the video. Some, oh my god, I can't explain the happiness. Can't explain. Thank you, Tita and Tito. Thank you so much. I go through the Wise app. You just need a credit card or US or Canadian bank account to transfer funds. I go through the Wise app. You just need a credit card or US or Canadian bank account to transfer funds. I have no bank account. Just only Gcash, Tita. I have no bank account. Oh my god. Thank you, Tita. Thank you so much. Talaga. I felt so overwhelmed. Shouldn't get excited when I send her Tita and it's plenty each week. I'm excited. Oh my god. Tita is you is different. You don't want to, you don't want to, you don't want me win. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Hi, Golden. I sent her through Raya. Oh, yeah, Raya. Yes. Thank you, team. It's for the sender, Cheryl, that need banking info. The recipient just need the GCash app. Yes, I have a GCash app. Wait lang. Ay, it's my phone. I have a GCash app. Need, no. Need an information. My number. It's for the sender. Cheryl, that need banking information. The recipient just need the GCash. Team, I'm sure she appreciated your help. Yes, I really appreciate. He know that. I'm always said, oh my God. I said, he said, oh my, shut up. Just annoy. Okay. I'm so happy when he helped me. I really, he know that. I know she does. Yes, I really appreciate. You can send the Gcash through Wise, Marie. Yes. Hope can send. Oh my God. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike, to trying to help to send. Yes, Mike. Just download the app. Oh my God, really? Wow. Yes, Mike. Just download the app, guys. Very low transfer fees and it's online. Wow. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, Tita. I use Wise to send money to Thailand, so I will have to check it out. Oh wow, thank you guys to help me. Thank you guys for trying to help me. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, team. Do you need her real last name? I use Wise to send money to sell. Okay. Just Gcash address. Yes. Just ano. The information is just the number. Thank you, Thank you, Mike. You will need the name of the Gcash account number and city. Yes. No address needed. Okay. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, guys, for helping me. Oh my God. I think I feel win. We don't want to give her real last name. Why? I didn't mean physical abuse, just digital abuse. Ah, okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Oh my god. Nothing needed except the three men and name registered under GCash, phone number, and city, not address. Yes. Yes, that's the important ano, information. My number. GCash number. Yeah. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, guys. Oh my god. I'm excited. Even I'm in a second place, I feel win. I feel win. Even I'm not win, I will win. I win because someone supporting me here on YouTube. My God, I felt so, ano, mother queen. Mother queen. Welcome, Cheryl. Thank you, Tita. I didn't expect supporting me here on YouTube from YouTube. I didn't expect. Oh my God. Thank you, Tita and Tito. God bless you more. Oh my gosh. Shout out from. Do you get to wear a crown if you win? Yes. I will get the wear. Someone put hair on the head to wear the crown. Yes, someone. And we're going to parade. Yes, the parade, and we wear like a gown like that. And many people watch. I will a rampa. I will walk like I saw like that. And I will rent the gown here. I will rent. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Do you throw candies at the crowd? Yes, I threw candies. Yes, I threw candies like that for kids, mini kids. I need to go, Cheryl, and everyone. Have a good night. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Sir Mike. Good night. Bye, Kuya Mike. Take care, Sir Mike. Thank you for joining me here. Know that you're wrong for me. God, I wish we never met on the day I put you down to you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Yeah, gotta go. I need to make lunch now. Bye-bye, Tita. Thank you, Tita. Bye-bye. Thank you for that 9 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Wanna be. I don't wanna be somebody. She's on my mind. Can. So 050. Get some sleep. Okay. Bye-bye. Alright. Bye-bye. See, your wife works good na basketball playing. No basketball. No. No. No playing basketball now. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining, guys.